What is up, mathletes? Welcome back to another episode of Math with Dr. Math. And let me be honest, some math teachers are not going to like me after this one. All right, so I have a math hack for you when you're trying to solve a quadratic equation using the quadratic formula. So I have a calculator hack for you. There's a way for you to check your answers. All right, so I still want you to understand how to do it, right? Check out our videos linked down below with how to solve using the quadratic formula, or how to solve those quadratics using factoring. All right, and there's other ways by completing the square and whatnot. But let me focus on how do you use Desmos, right? So the website link is down below in the description, and this is going to make life so much easier, right? For those of you just trying to check your answer, right? So here we go. First of all, you all know that formula, so let's type it in here. So I'm going to type in the formula into our Desmos calculator. So our formula, make sure you put in parentheses the numerator. So we got negative b, and then I'll do the plus because we know it's plus or minus. So I'll first do the plus, and then we could just change it to minus after. So negative b plus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c. So I'm just creating these variables, right? And then I'm going to make sure to get out of the square root sign, and then I'm going to close my parentheses. All right, so make sure that parentheses here is outside of the radical. All right, and everything is divided by, so divided by 2 times a. So there's our formula. And notice over here, we have the little warning like, hey, we don't know what A is, we don't know what B is, we don't know what C is. So we're gonna tell our calculator what those values are, right? Because remember, after you put it in standard form, you always need to find A, B, and C. So let's go ahead and let's tell our calculator here. So let's say A equals 1, I don't know, we're just making this up. B equals 2, and C equals 3. Let's see if we get an answer. And this one's undefined, and what that means is when you're using the quadratic formula, that means you're gonna get an imaginary number, and that happens, or no solution, no real solution. So let's maybe change this to negative 3. Let's see if that does something. Cool, so we do get an answer for negative 3. So again, all you have to do is tell the calculator here what your values are for A, B, and C, and that's so cool, right? And then I could just change this plus sign if I wanted the minus to a minus, and it does all that work for me. So this Desmos calculator is pretty bad, you know what? And it's gonna save you a bunch of time. And as you're solving these problems or any other type of problems, this will really help you check your answers, faster, right? So I just wanted to share this hack with you, and man, this calculator came in clutch. So if you're using it for the quadratic formula, just a little pro tip before you leave, let me take a picture of it and write it. Remember, when you're writing the quadratic formula, I'm just gonna make this up real fast so you guys can see what I'm talking about, right? This calculator is garbage if you don't understand the principles. So when you're using the quadratic formula, remember, you need one side equal to 0. I see people, mathletes, all the time making that mistake. So make sure you move everything to one side. So in this case, we're going to subtract the 5x and add the 3 to both sides, right? So again, even though you have this technology, it's worthless if you do not know how to use it correctly. So you still need to know those ideas. So in this case, I just made this problem up. So don't worry about like, hey, where'd this come from? I'm just making this up. So we have 2x squared minus 5x plus 3. And in this example, my A is 2, my B is negative 5, and my C is 3. And what's awesome is now I could just change these numbers. I could change that 1 to a 2. I could change this B to a negative 5, and I could change this negative 3 to a positive 3 for this example. And it will give me one of my possible solutions. And that's freaking awesome. So short video, we hope you're having a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun, fast tips. All right, mathletes, talk to you next time. Peace. Alright, mathletes, thanks for watching, and again, if you like this video, we have some other videos that we think you might enjoy. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.